Welcome to this short video where we will show you how to connect your TP-Link router to bluebox broadband. Before you get started, you will need a few things. First of all, you will need to know the name of your router or its SSID, which is printed on the underside of the router. In this example, we will use TP-Link_0DC2. The password for your router can also be found underneath it. And you will need the router login IP. This is set to 192.168.0.1. You will need the username and password for your router, and by default these will be set both to admin, all lowercase. Finally, you will need your bluebox IP. This will be written on your receipt or can be obtained from the office and should start with 172. This example we will use 172.10.20.30. What we need to do now is go into the settings and connect to your Wi-Fi router. On your Google or Android device, you'll find the settings tab, which looks like this. On your iPhone, it should look like this. Once in your settings, find Wi-Fi. Then find the name of your Wi-Fi network. This example shows About TV's Wi-Fi. Click on it, then enter your password. You should now be connected to your Wi-Fi router. Now that we have established a connection to our router, we can log into our router. How we do this is by opening a web browser. In this example, we will use Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, this is very important. Remember to use the address bar and not the search bar. So in the address bar, we will type 192.168.0.1 and we will hit enter. This will bring us into our TP-Link user interface where the username and password should both be admin, all lowercase. You can just X out of this if it comes up, hit login. On the left hand side, we will now click on network. We will change dynamic to static. We will now put in our static IP details. So under IP address, remember our IP was 172.10.20.30, but we have to make a change to this. Your last digit should increase by 1, so instead of 30, it will be .31. Our subnet mask will be 255.255.255.252. Our gateway will be the full address without any changes this time, 172.10.20.30. Our primary DNS will be 78.155.251.1 and our secondary DNS will be 78.155.250.1. Then simply hit save. So just take a few seconds to go over the settings. Once again, the IP address should be 172.10.20.31. I want to make this clear that you're going up by one digit at the end. So if the last digit was 28, you would put in 29. If the last digit was 9, you would put in 10. If the last digit was 136, you would put in 137. Your gateway will be the full IP written as it is on the receipt. Don't forget to include your dots, so 172.10.20.30. The numbers of your subnet mask will remain the same, as well as your primary and secondary DNS. You can write these down if need to refer back to later.